If your spouse or common law partner is accompanying you and has a post-secondary degree, they can also get an ECA while it isn't required to submit to the express entry. You may be able to claim additional CRS points for your spouse or partner's education if they have an ECA. IRCC will only accept ECAs from designated organizations which currently are World Education Services, Comparative Education Service, University of Toronto School of Continuing Studies, International Credential Assessment Service of Canada, International Qualifications Assessment Service, International Credential Evaluation Service, Medical Council of Canada, Professional Body for Doctors, Pharmacy Examining Board of Canada, Professional Body for Pharmacists. Unless they are doctors or pharmacists, I would recommend you to use World Education Services (WES) for their ECA as they have the most efficient processing time. If you are a doctor, the Medical Council of Canada must evaluate your primary medical diploma. If you are a pharmacist and need a license to practice, you need to get your ECA from the Pharmacy Examining Board of Canada. Thanks for the watch. Have a good day.